Are you an inbound tourism player ready to make a mark in Middle East market? We will be hosting the Global Inbound Networking event for Middle East market in Kuala Lumpur on 28th to the 31st of January 2024. There will be estimate 40 travel agents from Middle East regions will be joining us as buyers. This isn't your ordinary B2B gathering. It's a platform designed to foster connections that matter. Our event transcends the conventional by uniting stakeholders, industry players, and local communities under one roof, working together to shape the future of inbound tourism. Global Inbound Networking Program are as follows. The 28th of January, Ice-Breaking Extravaganza unveiled the journey with an engaging ice-breaking session, forging connections and camaraderie among buyers. The 29th of January, Business Networking Extravaganza gain insights from informative presentations aimed at keeping you updated on industry trends. Experience the pinnacle of networking with a day dedicated to presentations, interactive B2B sessions and networking dinner. Prepare to depart for an outstation retreat. The 30th of January, Briefing and Site Inspection dive into the nitty-gritty with informative briefings and enriching site inspections, gaining valuable insights to enhance your business strategies. The 31st of January, Checkout and Beyond bid farewell enriched and informed, with checkout scheduled on the 31st of January, or extend your stay. Join as a seller at the Global Inbound Networking event and unlock unparalleled opportunities to connect with Middle East travel agents. Showcase your offerings, and forge lasting partnerships that will propel your business to new heights in the vibrant world of inbound tourism. As a registered seller, you will be entitled to participate in B2B networking session. Sellers will actively participate in the B2B sessions scheduled for the 29th of January, engaging with Middle East travel agents and fellow industry players. You will be received a full list of buyers. Sellers will also be invited to online Break the Ice session before the actual event in Kuala Lumpur in addition to the actual networking on the 29th of January. To participate in networking opportunities. Sellers will have ample opportunities to network with other industry players during the event, fostering potential collaborations and partnerships. To have access to industry insights. Participation in presentations and discussions, gaining valuable insights into industry trends, challenges, and opportunities. Event exposure. Inclusion in event-related promotions and coverage, ensuring visibility among attendees and the broader industry community. What is your investment? Instead of spending big budget going to Middle East with costly flight ticket and accommodations which will cost you more than 10,000 ringgit Malaysia, let's meet the Middle East travel agents here in Kuala Lumpur. Here's your golden ticket. Become a registered seller at the Global Inbound Networking event for an unbeatable RM 1,500 per company. With only RM 1,500 per company, we are thrilled to share an exclusive opportunity that could transform your business. The Global Inbound Networking event is calling for registered sellers, and the price? Just RM 1,500 per company. As registered seller, you are entitled to B2B sessions. Engage in direct conversations with Middle East travel agents and industry peers during our exclusive B2B sessions. Exclusive buyer list. Get a comprehensive list of buyers and kickstart your connections with an online Break the Ice session. Networking opportunities. Forge collaborations and partnerships during our networking sessions, designed to maximize exposure and connections. Access to industry insights. Immerse yourself in presentations and discussions, gaining valuable insights into the latest industry trends. Event exposure. Enjoy significant visibility through inclusion in event-related promotions and coverage. You don't have to spend your budget to go to Middle East. Meet the buyers here in Kuala Lumpur for only RM 1,500 as registration fee. But seller slots are very limited. So hurry and register now as seller. Be an inbound leader in 2024.